Hello my darling, and welcome to another jewellery making tutorial with me, Annie from Mini Moon Arts. In this one we are going to explore a few different ways to wire wrap quartz points. You may have already seen me making the first one, so you can skip to this time to go to the next ones. Okay, let's get going. And I'm just starting out with some 0.8mm silver plated wire. So let's start with a super simple one where we are literally just going to have it going through here with loops. Seems really simple. There are a couple of things that you need to be aware of. You need to have a little bit of space for doing a wrap, just around the wire here. You can do it without, so you can just do your loop and you could cut it and that would be fine, but for me I do prefer the security. So we can just let this guy go do its thing. Bring it round, use your tools, it's fine, that's what they're there for. Just gently bring this round. I'm just going to do a single loop so it's not too obvious. And snip, remember, use your cutter so that you've got the flat side where you are leaving your end. And then tighten it up, because remember your jewelry is going to go near people's skin, so you need to make sure you've not got any ends or anything that can catch. Let's just flip this wire over, it's been a bit of a cheeky. Sorry, it went off camera then. Just tighten the end up, straighten the loop. There we go, cute. And then just bring this guy back round. And we want the same amount of space on the other side, so I made enough space with this one. I'm going to grip it like this, yeah, so that we're taking the wire and grip it. So you want your angle right, taking it like that, just at like a 45-degree angle, and then hold on to that or not, and you want to bring your pliers to the other side, bring it round, turn a little, bring it round. It's a lot easier without a camera and a stand. And then we're going to do the twist. So just bring it round, and we're just doing one. Whoop. There we go. And just tighten it up. Okay, super simple. And then you can just attach your chain and have it hanging like that. Or we could do something different. We're going to start in a similar way with the hoopy doopy. So I still like that size, so I'm going to stick to that size. And we've done our loop. I'm going to take it round, and we're going to do like 2, I think, this time. Yeah, let's do 2. Clip the end, remember flat side so that you've got a flat edge, and pop your thumb or whatever so your metal doesn't fly in your eye. Use your flat nose, needle nose, chain nose, whichever, whatever you've got to hand, my love. Okay, and then we're going to thread this boy on. Okay, and then we want to do the same thing on the other side. I think. Yeah, so we want the base idea the same on both sides. Oh, can you hear that metal on the stand? I do apologise, but not that much. Okay, and then woo. So we want the loops facing the same, like flat, if that makes sense. Whoa, come on guys, what is going on here? It's so much more difficult doing this way than my more complicated way. it just goes to show that simple to look at, or supposedly something simple, isn't always more simple. Right, we're going to take it round once and twice. Okay, so I want to make sure that these are correct. So do I want them flat or do I want them, I think I want them facing outwards like that. That's what I'm going to do. All right, from here, what are we going to do? I think take it round to the back and swing it so it's coming down and across, loop it round, and then do the same and loop it round. So that is a lovely little cross shape. Okay, and then I want to take it all the way around, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so we're at the back, I'll take it round here, loop it round, and we're going to pull it up and across. So we've got a cross, like a little cross on both sides. So you could, if you wanted to, you could just leave it at that, do a wrap here, and that's a really lovely design. So like that, and then you would cut it. But I kind of fancy, because I can't just leave things alone, doing a double. Take it round. I just got to hope I've got enough wire to do both sides now. Take it round, all the way around, flipping over. I'm going to try and keep it so that it's laying under. And you are going to see your ears start to disappear a little bit, but that's fine. And then take it round. And I'm going to cut it. So you've got a couple of millimeters. You see? Got a couple of millimeters there. And then we're just going to gently tease it. Tease it, and tuck it. How simple was that? But really pretty. Just do something really simple. Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, so just going to post through. I'm going to give like, what, a couple of inches on each side. Grip it and just up, pull it up. So you're bending it up. And then we want to kind of pull into the middle. There we go. So you've got a bit of a crissy-cross going on. We could do this two ways. Okay, we're going to do it one way first, and then I'll try a different way. So we're going to do a bit of a spiral. So you want to make sure when you do a spiral, you need to keep the angles out. Like this. Okay? And then we've got quite a good 45-degree angle already, haven't we? So we can just do the loop like this. And then, let's do a double loop. So just grab this one, pull this one down. And what we want to do here is we want to wrap this bottom one round first, because it's a smaller one. I'm just going to clip that and tuck it. Just bring it up, tuck it. Okay, and I think I want to pop these back on here. I'm going to wrap this round and round and round and down, and keep going and create quite a bit of a spirally base to this. Keep going. Be a little bit messy with it. Why not? It's nice to be messy, isn't it? Give it quite a sturdy kind of bird's nest look. And you could have just stopped and not done that kind of bird's nesty type thing, and that would be lovely. And just keep it as like quite a tight coil. And then, so I want to find a nice space where I can tuck it under, so about there, because you do not want ends sticking out. Sticky outy ends is rubbish. If you're making jewellery, that means it's going to be on a person's body, and the last thing you want is to scratch someone. So I always make a bit of a turn and then tuck. There we go. I'm going to tuck it as far as possible. Okay, so it's another one. Ooh, we're on a roll. Okay, let's do one that's like that, but just with a single hoopy top bit. Okay, so through again, pull it up, cross them over, one twist, two twist, and then you can just clip there. A little. You've got your 45-degree angle already. I really hope this is focusing. I'm not paying any attention to the camera. And then we're going to do the loop here. And then I think I'm going to grip it like this. And what you do want to make sure with is that you are wrapping around that end. Okay, cute little spiral, and then clip. And tuck. There you go. Got another one. The thing I love about these crystals, they're really organic shapes. You can kind of do all sorts with them. Go back to silver, because why not? And actually I think this style needs that firmness. Take about 30 centimetres. Yeah, 30 centimetres. And take it to about the middle. Push either end away from yourself around the quartz. Just going to wrap around. I'm trying to do it quite neatly, but you can do it nice and messily, do it any way you want really. We're just kind of doing having a bit of a wrap party. Wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. Just need to make sure you've got enough to go up with. Okay, we're at a certain point here. And actually we've made a bit of a bend there, so let's do an upwards bend. If I can grip it. Like this. I've seen other people trying this, and I'm actually just giving it a go now. It just doesn't feel that sturdy to me. I suppose you could give it a tug, can't you? You can give it a tug. Okay, and then we're just doing the same thing. We're bringing it in. We could just do this. What am I doing? I'm just playing now. Yeah, you could just bring it together, couldn't you? Bend it like that. Bring them round. There we go, like a cuff. Could keep going, but I want to keep this as the back. So just clip it here. Clip it a bit more. Ow! Stuck in my finger. I'll try a tuck bend. You need to angle your way out a bit. See, for me, I actually wouldn't normally do a tuck bend. I would be doing spirals and all sorts and flourishing the flip out of it. But just trying to show a few different methods that you could do. There we go. That's kind of cute, isn't it? I like that. And oh, I'm tugging properly on that. I am pleasantly surprised by that one. So I think that's probably enough different types of wrapping methods for now. If I think of any more, then I will do another one of these. We've got the one with the single going through there. We've got the one that started in the same way, and then we've wrapped around and created these cool little crossovers. We've got the one that we've just wrapped straight up, done a double loop and made quite a messy top. We've got the same style but with a single and then a spiral at the top, and then we've got the one that has wrapped around the middle and then gone up and put a little scarf on it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you have a go at any of these. Let me know if you'd like me to do another one like this, where we just do a bit of a wire explore. And please go check out my website. It's now live, which I'm very happy about. And subscribe, comment, like, do all those things. And I will catch you later. Bye!